Hello and welcome back to our channel where we share all things beauty. Today's video is all about the amazing benefits of gram flour, also known as chickpea flour or Besan, for your skin and hair. Gram flour is a staple ingredient in many South Asian cuisines, but did you know it's also an amazing beauty ingredient? In this video, we're going to explore 8 incredible beauty benefits of gram flour that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Exfoliation. One of the primary benefits of gram flour is its ability to exfoliate the skin. Gram flour contains tiny granules that gently remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin looking smooth and bright. Simply mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a few drops of water or rose water to form a paste, and gently massage onto your face in circular motions. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Oil control. If you struggle with oily skin, gram flour may be the solution you've been looking for. Gram flour has natural oil-absorbing properties that can help control excess oil production on your skin. To use gram flour for oil control, mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a teaspoon of lemon juice and a few drops of water. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Acne treatment. Gram flour is also a great natural remedy for acne-prone skin. It contains zinc, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria. To use gram flour for acne treatment, mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a few drops of milk. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Skin brightening. If you're looking to brighten up your complexion, gram flour can help. It contains enzymes that can help lighten and even out your skin tone. To use gram flour for skin brightening, mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Removing unwanted hair. Gram flour can also be used as a natural hair remover. Mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a teaspoon of turmeric powder and enough milk or yogurt to form a paste. Apply the paste to the areas where you want to remove hair and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently scrub off the paste in the opposite direction of hair growth, and rinse with cool water. Conditioning your hair. Not only is gram flour great for your skin, but it's also great for your hair. Gram flour can help condition your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. To use gram flour for hair conditioning, mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a tablespoon of coconut oil and enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and scalp, and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off. Treating dandruff. If you struggle with dandruff, gram flour can help. It has natural antifungal properties that can help combat the yeast that causes dandruff. To use gram flour for dandruff treatment, mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a teaspoon of neem powder and enough water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Repeat once a week for best results. Tightening your skin. Gram flour can also help tighten your skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Mix a tablespoon of gram flour with a teaspoon of yogurt and a few drops of honey to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. The lactic acid in the yogurt helps to tighten and firm the skin while the honey provides hydration and nourishment. And there you have it, 8 amazing beauty benefits of gram flour that you can incorporate into your skincare and haircare routine today. From exfoliation to oil control, acne treatment to skin brightening, and hair removal to conditioning, gram flour truly is a versatile beauty ingredient. So why not give it a try? As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.